So you can see that Orion has perfect. Hello guys, yeah, it is another video. Now in this channel I drop videos on tutorials on how I use Revit, how I use AutoCAD, SketchUp and Orion for my structural design, for my concrete structural design. So in this video I will show you how to design for your part foundation. Make sure you click on the subscribe button and then click on the notification bell so that you will receive a notification whenever I post new videos like this. So the link above is a tutorial I made last time where I was showing how you can build your components, your building components, and run the building analysis safely. So let's go into this, the design of the part foundation. So you click on story 00. Actually you can do this by selecting one foundation, one column by one another, but there's gonna be a slow type. So let's select all the column and then left click, then insert part base, then create typical footing for the selected columns, then click OK. So here, okay, F1, the footing depth, let's make it 300. Subcharge, okay. Concrete cover, let's make it as 45. Okay, let's leave it as 40. Then our steel bars, let's make it as Y12. Then here, click on this and then colon data, you have nothing to do with that. Then click on the calculate. So our column will be using 1.2 by 1.2, which is normal. And then if you want to change the center here, but let's leave it with 175. Then we'll click OK. Then we'll click OK. So automatically Orion creates a part foundation footing which is 1.2 by 1.2, and then this is it. So we can check the 3D here. So you can see that Orion has perfectly input a column footing. So if you want to run the detail, come here and then click that. So you can create a new sheet, then click OK. So F1, then so let's click here and then we can now zoom in. So this is the detail for the column. So thank you for watching this video once again. Thank you for watching the video. So the next video that I will be showing is how to make cantilevers, how to design for your cantilevers in Orion. So thank you, and then don't forget to click on the subscribe button again, because I post videos like this. Thank you very much.